Hello everyone, today is Tuesday, April 1st, 2014. Let's get right to the SPY. I did call this out in the last video, I believe. It looks like a little pennant bull flag developing here. It looks like it wants to break up to the upside, so nice little bounce here as it consolidated on these moving averages. And let's see if this meets target. Nice little flag pennant pattern here. The short-term target is roughly the measure move. You measure out this triangle is roughly 192.32. Maybe you could draw it out like this as well, but roughly this range here. If we draw it out, just kind of measure the move and extend it out, and you get another target of 190, 194. So 192.30 to 194 is your target to the upside in the SPY. Just based if it breaks out of here. But right now we did break. If we measure it as a triangular pattern, it break out. So let's see if it could break this resistance here, which is the previous, the current 52-week highs, all-time highs in the SPY. Let's go to the Qs. Pretty much the same deal. Nice reversal here and hitting these moving averages. So nice reversal on the Qs as well, showing follow through. IWM, same thing. So a little bit surprising here. Nice 3-bar move so far into moving averages here. So nothing to go through there. But let's go to SPY and see. Let's see where this chart can potentially go on the SPY. Let's go in a bigger time frame. And if we grab a big fib extension from, if we grab a monthly chart, so every candle you see is a monthly chart. If we take the previous 52-week highs, this was the high before the '08 crash. So if you take a fib right there, we retraced it 100%. If you grab a fib extension, the 1272 is right here. We pause there, and ultimately it looks like if we continue higher, as you see it pulled back at that area nicely there. If we continue higher, it looks like we want to test the 210, 212 area. That will be your 1618. That's pretty much another 618 off this 100% retrace. Okay, that's pretty much all it is. So these Fibonacci's are very important. So look after that level, the $212 level on the SPY. I think that could be important on the weekly chart. Same thing. It's showing that you can see it pulled back there nicely on that 618. The 1272 fib extension. See it pulled back here, consolidated here for 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, consolidated another 4 weeks on top, reverse. So this is some congestion here on this just Fibonacci retracement. So I would look for the same thing. If it doesn't want to continue higher, look for that kind of same kind of price action right here if it hits the 212. So if right here you'd be selling calls above 220 for weekly premium on the weekly option selling strategies. Okay. So that's the SPY. Let's go over some of these charts. Let's go over Amazon. Amazon's still having trouble with that 200. I said it probably wants to dance around there, and it's catching the 50 weeks. So this is going to be, like I said, you can sell puts below anything below 330, I believe. You made a nice doji so far for this week, but it just started, so it is dancing on that 200. Sometimes it does take a long time. It doesn't just bounce immediately. It does look like this is ready for bounce actually. Um, it does. The longer it does trade down here, it's making a bear flag. But seeing the market bounce here, let's see if Amazon decides to catch up at this moment. It is oversold on the stochastic, so that's something to look after on Amazon. Let's go over some of the other trades. Ford looks like the bear flag did fail today. I did stop out of that for some small loss there, but no big deal. I mean, it still could play out. I mean, you still have to take out this high, but the pattern is just not pretty anymore. Just not. This is not as good anymore. It's once this made this doji, it should play out, and it did the opposite. So that's a clear sign of a failed pattern. Look at the volume already on the only 2 days in the week, and you already increased volume already. So this is going to be perhaps a failed pattern, unless you close back below on the weekly chart. You can still stick in there, stick with it. If it closes back below by Friday, I mean that pattern is good to go still. You can make a topping tail, but right now it's still or as of right now, it is looking like it's going to fail. So I'll update you guys on that as the coming days follow. But right now, nothing to do on Ford now. It is into resistance, so look for a pullback here. See if it makes a bullish pattern, and maybe you can get another re-entry, maybe in a better spot. But right now, the pattern is just not as good anymore. You probably broke out above this trend line as well, so that could be a breakout. And SPY broke out of that trend line as well. So just to be cautious right there, I would leave it alone at the moment. Okay, guys. Let's look at Google really fast. Just do a quick run through these charts. Same thing like Amazon, just kind of dancing around on that 100-day moving average. Let's go to see what else I got. Facebook. Facebook said I said had a good chance of bouncing off that 100-day as well, and it's doing that as well. So nice bounce on Facebook. Guys, if you haven't checked out the website yet, xfactortrader.com, we put out another trade alert for Netflix for a bounce play. Didn't quite get there. It looks like Netflix does want to bounce here. It got a nice reversal candle on the daily chart. Let's go over that right now, actually. So Facebook bouncing, as I mentioned, had a good possibility here with this nice spinning top candle. Let's go to Netflix right now. Punch up that chart. Got a nice little reversal candle here. It looks like pretty decent volume too. So this is deeply, deeply oversold. So I wouldn't be surprised. Usually when I see a big level like this, it doesn't get there, right? So in a few days, you'll see this 200 rise into it. So it will look like it bounced off it, but it didn't quite get there. But we got a nice reversal candle today, okay? And it's really oversold. Let's look at this stochastic right here in the way below the 20, okay, on the stochastic meter. So that is deeply, deeply oversold. But it's a counter trend bounce. Look at these moving averages are sloping down now, so look for a nice counter trend bounce. But that's about it. On the weekly chart, you're getting pretty oversold as well, and you're just above, price is just above the 50-week moving average. So not surprised I got a bounce here. I wish it would a little bit lower, maybe another day or two of lower prices, and that would have been a nice buying opportunity. But let's see what kind of pattern it makes here. Let's see if it continues to go sideways here. If it goes sideways here, then my level will no longer be good. This gap fill will be no longer valid. Maybe for a day trade, but not for a swing trade anymore. Okay, guys. Let's go over Tesla quickly on this fine afternoon. Tesla, same thing. It's just kind of grinding off that 50-day moving average. Nothing much to do there. Nothing to write home about. Nothing to call out here. But more alerts will be given out in our services in the gold membership. Look under the tab at our website, and definitely there'll be more alerts to come. Okay, guys. So let's look out for that. Nice little trend line. Apple is breaking that and consolidating above that. So that is very bullish on Apple at the moment. Okay, guys. I just want to do a quick update, guys. Haven't seen many charts to really that really set up yet, but I'll update you guys on the website on the free under the free tab under free alerts at xfactortrader.com. Please check that out and just keep profiting with us. And it's just so easy once you know how to read these charts, okay, guys. And when patterns do fail eventually, but you just gotta know how to manage them and know how to play them out, okay, guys. Some trades don't always work out. It just matter of putting the odds in your favor, okay, guys. And that's all we can do as traders, and just know how to manage the trade from there, okay, guys. I will talk to you guys later. Visit us at xfactortrader.com, and I'll talk to you guys later. If I see anything else, I'll update you guys. Just want to do a quick update before I head out. Enjoy the rest of the day, okay, guys. So have a great one. I'll talk to you guys later. Happy April Fool's Day.